Behind me, we are standing at one of the most unique hotels in Amsterdam, I believe. It's Amsterdam Hotel. I probably haven't pronounced it very well, but as you can see, it looks like houses on top of houses. If you've ever been to Norway, this is kind of what it looks like in terms of like the wooden kind of outlook. Absolutely amazing. So the location's fantastic, literally 2 minutes away from the station. You have a McDonald's, you've got a Primark. What more can you want, eh? Anyway, let's go and check it out. So yeah, as you can see, multiple colours, which is really awesome. A bit of blue, a bit of green, a bit of brown. And then you have the canals. So there's lots of eateries around as well. So you've got a McDonald's just there. And you have bagels and beans. Haven't tried that. And some really cool eateries down there as well. And of course, Primark. It seems to be like a bit of a tourist hotspot as well, because in the day everyone's standing on that corner taking loads of photos, which understandably, because it looks pretty awesome, to be fair. Yeah, I love it. You just got to watch out for bikes. That's the only issue. I always got run over too many times because I forget it's a biking lane. So the entrance is just down here, and then we go through reception this way. I just wanted to show you this clock, if you can see in the distance. Let me just zoom in on that. And pretty much the station is just behind and to the right. Easy. So the escalator is out of service right now, but there we are. So reception, you got burgers and shake just down there, and there's McDonald's if you wanted to get a cheeky coffee, which I will be. I think it's just been drained. There was water in it yesterday, but lots of I don't know what they are really. Let's go and check it out. So this is the reception area. Get your breakfast down there as well. It's 20 euros. We checked in, so we've got 613 is our room. I'm going to show you it. It's pretty cool. So you've got to tap it. The location's fantastic, as I've already said. Like, you're around eateries, you're next to transportation, which is only 30 minutes to Amsterdam Central, and it's also 30 minutes to the airport. Pretty awesome. So there we go. It's a lovely, it's a nice light. Anyway, we're at 613, which is just down here. Very clean, very nice. All right, you ready? Checkout is 11, it is 10:30, so I'm very cautious of the fact. Pop this in. All right. Okay, let's just turn the lights on. Happy days. It's a kind of corridor into the room, so we're going to walk this way and you emerge into the room, which is pretty cool. And then you have the windows, obviously, which overlook the canal, which is pretty cool. And the bathroom I will show you in a bit. But I think, like I said, I've stayed here yesterday, last night, and I slept extremely well in that bed. It is lovely, hence the reason it doesn't look made is because I slept on it and slept very well. So let's give you the tour. So coming in, we have this huge painting. I say huge, it goes across the entire length of the wall. And I believe these are like famous biscuits, or crackers rather. Do let me know in the chat what you think these are. But yeah, they're very proud of their work. As you can see, the smiley faces on them. But the view's really cool. So we just look out the window. Everyone's all taking the photos, as you can see. There's normally like crowds here. There was yesterday. Sunny as anything as well, but everyone's taking pictures because it looks like an awesome hotel, because, well, it is. And you can get some, drinks down there and everything else. So Yeah. And I think these are apartments. If so, they're very nice. They've all got their own individual balconies. Very, yeah, I was going to say Scandic because we're in Scandinavia, but yeah, really, really nice. In Norway, they're very like the same as well in terms of how they're built, kind of like wooden and pointy. The thing is, the whole entire room is super clean. These are blackout curtains as well, which is fantastic because the room is really dark when you pull them, which is ideal as well, especially because you have a night didn't sleep very well on that train, which you should have seen. If you haven't already, you can go and check that video after this. But yeah, blackout curtains, everything's very clean, very, very nice. Also have a chair, so you can just chill. It's seen better days. It's already been used and stuff, I'm guessing. It's got like some marks. That's the first kind of mark I've seen. And a very nice table which I've put my bag on. Again, it's a nice table. You can just add your stuff on it if you want. And a lamp. This lamp is okay. I took the plug out yesterday for the charger, but it does work. Albeit it's not very light. It's like timid. But yes, like I said, I've already slept in this bed and I would give it a 10 out of 10 in terms of comfort. This duvet, I need to figure out where they've got this from because it must be age. I've never had a duvet as comfortable as that. It was lovely. It's like a nice warm hug. But anyway, the mattress is like a crash mat. You literally sink into it. It's probably not the best for your back, but it's very comfortable. Yeah, it's a very comfortable bed at the end of the day. 10 stars, 5 stars, 10 stars, whatever. Make up the star rating as you go, I guess. You do have lamps either side, which I was trying to find out the switch, but the switch is underneath here. So you just flick it on. Where is it? There it is. Just like that. Happy days. And then we have this one here, which does the main light somewhere. Yeah, it does the main light. And next to the bed, you have a frosted mirror. Sorry, you have a frosted glass pane right here. So this adjacent to the shower, which is a very interesting aspect. What are they implying? But I'll show you the shower, shall I? The shower is lovely. I've got my shorts there. I've been using the sauna the other day. It was very nice. And the pool, very, very nice. I'll show you that as well. So keep watching. But yeah, there's the transparent frosted glass. All right. Interesting. And I don't know why they do that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, the bath is ginormous. I'm going to show you how big the bath is. It's really deep. So this is how deep the bath is. I'm going to take my shoes off. But look at that. Oh my God. That is like it's like a swimming pool, right? Look, it's literally deep as anything. Ooh. Very deep. Very deep. But it's nice. You've got Argan Sauce hair and body wash, very nice. And then you have your shower and a handle if you struggle to get out like I just did. And of course a tap as well. Toilets, self-standard. The toilet roll is up here, also there. And then we have the tap, which is pretty cool. And your vanity mirrors on both sides, which is interesting. And then of course a big mirror. So like and subscribe if you like. And a hairdryer, which is in working days. The amenities that we got are quite cool. I don't really know what that is. I think that's sponge for some reason. And then hair clips. These hair clips, I guess so. And blusher? I don't know. I think this is more for women. And then, or men. And then you got the glasses as well. So everything's all drinking water as well. Really safe. Yeah, all good. And the big doors that, of course, slide across. Nice and easy. And then plug sockets as well, always good. So, you know, I'm forever forgetting to get the European ones, but I do have a connector now, so happy days. And a light switch, which doesn't really do anything. And a little lamp. TV works. It's a big TV. I almost knocked the thing over because I don't know why I pulled the top too hard, but thank God it didn't fall off because that would be expensive. And yeah, telephone, awesome. Last but not least, we have this section which has a mini bar with nothing in it. In fact, let me just show you what I mean. It's just a mini fridge at the end of the day, or mini bar, whatever. And we did have a selection of teas, albeit no biscuits, but that is fine. You got, what's this one? Yellow Label Lipton and green tea. I might actually have one of those before I leave. Green tea and sugar and water, kettle, and of course, not the laptop, but you do have a laptop, or I do have a laptop rather, and then a light. And this little section have your safe, extra room for your storage, just here as well. You have your coat hangers. It's very nice. I do like the patterning. Very cool, it's like stone. Right, that was the hotel. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I think this hotel was pretty rad. Very cool, great location, as I keep on saying. I would overly give the whole experience. I've only been here one night, so it's hard to say. But from everything else, 4 out of 5. I mean, things that could be better. Maybe a little bit more modern. It's a little bit like plain. I like more kind of like luxury modern kind of stuff, or like a beach view, but other than that you can't complain. I think it's a fantastic hotel. Let me know if you've stayed here before. What review would you give it after looking at this? And if you are going to go, any questions, let me know in the comment section. Next video I will be in another worst rated hotel, so if anything it's going to be much worse than this. This was awesome.